Midsummer sell-off as Wall Street and Main Street are seriously worried about the prospects of another recession. Just how worried? In less than 2 weeks, the market has erased all of its gains for the year.
Tough day on Wall Street today.
Today's massive sell-off on Wall Street.
Stocks around the world take a major tumble.
In total, some $940 billion worth of investors' wealth wiped out since July 23rd, while the average 401k saw a loss of $11,736. Local financial analyst Rick Bloom told us what you do now depends on how close you are to retirement.
If you're going to need your money over the next year or two, you got to start pulling it out of the market. However, if you're a long-term investor, you're looking at retiring 5-10 years from now, you need to keep the money growing.
Since last Friday, Wall Street has been bombarded with a slew of bad news. The first, a surprising slowdown in economic growth in the first half of the year. The economy all but screeching to a halt with virtually no growth in the first quarter and an anemic 1.3 growth in the second.
The U.S. economy is losing momentum. It shows up in the numbers. Investors see those numbers, and they think, and I think for good reason, that it's time to move to the sidelines.
On Monday came word that manufacturing, a key growth engine for the economy, dropped sharply last month. Then Tuesday, consumers spent less for the first time since September of 2009.
Investors now believe there's a real high probability that the economy will go into another recession.
That is a real possibility. I mean, we're going to know more over the next couple months, see if we are going into a recession, but the economy is slowing down, and I think that's what is concerning people.
Meantime, fresh concerns over a spike in summer layoffs has everyone wondering what we'll see in tomorrow's July jobs report. After today's massive sell-off, it appears Wall Street is bracing for the worst.
I don't think there's any good news. You got to give me a reason to buy stocks.